Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to still use CapCut after the USA ban. So CapCut pretty much got banned in the USA, guys, but luckily for us there is an alternative and pretty much a solution to get back on CapCut and use it without the use of a VPN. So the best part is that this method is completely free. You guys will not have to spend money on a VPN, so do not worry about that, because I know a lot of tutorials are saying you need a VPN. That is not the case, guys. There's actually a free method to do it, and I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So I'm going to turn on my screen recording and just show you guys that this is working. So you should see it right now. All right, so you should see my phone, and basically you're going to see I have this app right here called CapCut Bypass. There's also a TikTok bypass. It's the same exact thing, but it's just for TikTok and CapCut, and it allows you to bypass the ban and get back on the app, and it's super easy to do. So as you guys can see, this is the app right here. So pretty much when you guys all go on CapCut right now, you're gonna see a pop-up like this that says important update, and it will say that you can't use the app. But in this version, as you guys can see, there's a button that says bypass ban, and you just simply click it, and just like that, it will bypass the CapCut ban and you'll be back on the app. So it says success, you have successfully bypassed the ban, and then you just simply click OK, and then you're back on the app. But guys, I don't want to show too much footage of that. I just want to show you guys how to get the app so you guys can get back on and start using CapCut, because I know you guys all need to use it for your editing and whatever purpose you're using it for. So guys, what we have to do now is, by the way, this works on iOS and Android. What we have to do is open up our browser and go to this website, pluginsurf.com, guys. So to spell it, it's pluginsurf.com. Basically, this is the website that's going to allow us to get back and get the CapCut bypass installed. So what we're going to do, guys, is once you're on pluginsurf.com, come to the search bar and just type in CapCut, and you'll see CapCut bypass. USA CapCut bypass for iOS and Android. Just go ahead now and click the button, the app, and there you're going to see a button that says start installation. Okay, guys, so just simply click start, and now we're just going to wait for this to load. As you guys can see, it's loading right now, so we're just going to wait for that a bit. All right, as you guys can see, it's like halfway done, or halfway there. And then once it finishes, there is one last step that we all must do, and I'll show you guys what to do, and we'll be good and back on CapCut. So it's pretty simple. I hope you guys are following along, because this is working. So if any of you guys are still confused, just follow my last steps here. So before we can actually get the app, guys, there's one last step, and you'll see something like this that says your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. So when you see this, you're going to see like a list of apps, and what you guys have to do is complete 2 of them. And once you do 2, then this will work and you'll be back on CapCut. But you have to do 2, guys. You can't do 1, you have to do 2 minimum. So what you're going to do is just read the instructions of each app. For example, this Dice Dreams one says download and install this app, then complete Kingdom 6 to unlock this content. So what you have to do is click continue, and you're just going to have to go ahead and complete the instructions of the app. Download it, play it, and get to Kingdom 6. And then once you do that app, you go ahead back and do a second one. So choose the one that you I guess you will enjoy or whatever. So we have like the High Five Casino. Now guys, I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again, because I don't want to make this video too long. But like I said, you just click them, read the instructions, and do exactly as they say, and you'll be good. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you all in the next one. But like I said, you have to do 2, and then once you do 2, the CapCut bypass will install on your home screen, and that's pretty much it. So thanks, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.